Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another video with CryptoNinjas. My name is Dale, and for this video, I'll walk you through how to use the most updated, the best MEXC bonus code for 2025. MEXC is the top exchange when it comes to crypto trading, with no KYC needed and minimal fees with the abundance of trading pairs. Use the code MEXC-ninja on the screen or click the link in the description to get benefits like trading fees discount for both spot and future trading, $20 reward immediately to your account, and up to $8,000 in welcome bonuses. To use the code, first click the link in the description, which will take you directly to MEXC registration page. When signing up, you will see a box for enter a referral code. You must use MEXC-ninja in the box to be eligible. Hit sign up and that's it. Your sign-up rewards and bonuses and trading fee discounts are automatically applied to your account as long as you click the first link in the description. Finally, complete the rest of the sign-up process and enjoy your exclusive MEXC bonuses. I will keep updating the referral code and make sure you get the best sign-up bonuses and rewards for MEXC. So no matter when you're watching this video, you always get the best MEXC referral code available. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to CryptoNinjas and enjoy the code. Happy trading.